Hello friends, welcome to my channel Strategy with Scanner. Today I will be discussing about 27th November 2020 trade. This is a intraday trade. And for today's trade, we have selected the strategy straddle. We have selected 29,500 call and 29,500 put to sell in today's trade. You can observe in the background, there is a live chart running which is of 27th November's trade. On the right side of your screen, you can observe two charts. The above one depicts 29,500 call sold at 480.50 points and the below one depicts 29,500 put sold at 477 points. After selling both the premiums, that is the call and put, the total premium we have received is 957.50 points. As you can see on the right side of your screen, the target for today's trade is 95 points. To say in terms of rupees, it is 2,375 rupees. And the below one says stop loss, which is also 95 points, and it is 2,375 rupees. You can see the running profit in the green box which is shown over here. Even though there is big volatility in the market, our strategy is still running in profit. Now, here our biggest challenge is how to select sideways days. No worries. I am here to teach you how to select the sideways days one day before the trading day, as this is the crucial part of the strategy. Now, what after choosing the sideways days? You must know which strategy to select. Is it strangle or straddle? This course offers you everything. I will teach you which strategy to select between straddle and strangle to make good amount of profit. In the left side of your screen, you can see the live recording of the profit in the given green box in terms of rupees, and you can also observe the date and time right above the running profit box. The good thing about this strategy is that it follows the rule. Good returns on small investment. The investment required over here is just 10,000 rupees. The points are how to select sideways days and which strategy to apply to make profit, and estimation of target and stop loss. All these points will be taught in just an hour of duration. The session will be conducted one-to-one and it will be an online class. You can learn this strategy in just 1 hour by just paying rupees 2,000 only. You can recover the amount paid in just one successful trade. To prove this point, you can see the live recording shown. Do not forget to keep an eye on the running profit in the live chart which is running in the background. So, if you are interested in learning this strategy, contact me on the given number shown and you can contact me through WhatsApp also. Do not forget to keep an eye on the running profit in the live chart which is running in the background. As you can see, our target is achieved. Classes will be conducted in your own comfortable language. There is 5 language option. You can choose which is comfortable for you. If you are interested in learning this strategy, contact me at this number or text me on WhatsApp. Reserve your training date and time and start earning a good amount of profit by investing small amounts. Thank you for watching, my friend. Do give it a like, share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe. And if you have any comments or opinions, the comment section is open and I'll make sure I will read every comment and respond to you. Thank you.